started out really sweet, and then
It turned dark.
So we just finished our last breakfast in Japan.
Yeah.
She really liked the pasta.
Really? Yeah. Really liked it.
Actually ate something today. So, look at that. Ending on a good note. Now, never did a room tour of this room, but it's not going to be very big, so don't get too excited. Yeah, brand new, guys, brand new. And look, you tap the card. Remember when we had the key at the first hotel? Okay, so here's our beds. Don't mind our packing. We have a view of. I kind of like the view of the street. It's very, you know, Japan-esque. And then. Japanese. Can you tell I'm tired? There's the toilet, and the shower room's interesting because there's like a whole room. You just step in there. Oh, yeah. So that was that, and yeah. So small but mighty. So we're headed to the mall because we don't have enough souvenirs yet. We're gonna remember this trip so darn well. It's crazy. So there's an arch of some sort. We really just want silly t-shirts, like with poorly translated sayings. So, just you wait, it'll be good. So here's a concept. We woke up in Japan this morning. But we're going to be in Regina tonight.
Gonna be in Regina tonight, which is tomorrow.
Thursday the 12th. We're gonna experience it.
God.
The city that rhymes with fun.
Have you never heard that?
It's the funniest thing I've ever heard.
I'm surprised you haven't heard that.
It doesn't rhyme with fun, it rhymes with...
Last meal is McDonald's in Japan.
Oh my God, I'm sweaty.
You're the one I need. You make me this, bring me up, bring me down. We're all really tired. We're all tired. The adventures have come to a... We need to just get home and process everything. Now we're going to do karaoke. Woo! This is exciting.
Holy crap, it is hot in here.
Wow, this is a concept.
Karaoke.
I'm going to the washroom.
So we're in a hot room.
Oh my god. But it's in Japanese and I can't read Japanese.
Oh, it's so Japanese in here.
Oh, yeah.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Or is it konnichiwa?
Or is it konnichiwa? Konnichiwa.
We're doing the Glee cast. Alright. We're gonna sing together.
It's so freaking hot.
I know, right?
This song. Oh my God.
Testing.
Welcome to karaoke with Canadians in Japan.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Arigato gozaimasu. Konnichiwa.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Oh, gozaimasu. In other words that I don't know how to say.
Don't stop believing? Oh
Don't
my
stop
God.
believing,
We're
Coleman.
recording, but that's
Oh
alright.
my God.
Everybody sing. Oh, the clean version. It's the clean version. Okay, you do the first one. Go.
Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere.
So Japanese.
I was looking, baby. I knew
I do this all for me.
God.
Baby, just
for
take it.
you.
Baby, just take it. Oh, this is right. I gotta feel it.